Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Prestige Oven Toaster Griller. So this is the product I ordered from Amazon.com. So this is a 19 liters product, and this comes with a 1380 watts Oven Toaster Griller. This is good for 3 or 4 members in the family, and this is a product like you can get it on Amazon.com. You can if there is a 10% offer going on, you can get it around 3,300 rupees. So this is the least product with the rotisserie option. So this is the box. You can make cookies, delicious pizzas, tandooris, everything, and you can break exciting recipes. So this is a box that I'm just showing to everyone so that it can be helpful for everyone. Yeah, let's moving on. So it comes with a temperature timer, and yeah, now we're going to unbox. So this is as like the handlers is inside. So we are taking off all the handles and showing everything. So we are removing the handles. Yeah, these are the handles. Yeah, using these handles actually we'll show you how to assemble and all, but we are just showing what are the handles are there. Okay. Yeah, this is the rotisserie rod. Then these are the baking tray. This is the under container. You can put like we are removing that box now. So this is the actual box. It has a manual inside. So this is the actual so it has a lot of recipes in it, and how it will tell you how to use and what to use and what are the safety instructions. And it also it acts as a warranty card. For example, if there is any service, like you can go for as per the service. It has clearly mentioned what to keep and what to keep, and all the kind of temperature controls and temperature knob. This is a temperature knob, and this is a selector knob where you can select like a particular power and power range. And coming to this one, actually we are going to tell you how to use it, where to keep the trays and everything. So you have to keep the trays inside properly, and also we'll show you how to use this rotisserie rod inside. So to use this rotisserie rod, you need to fix the clips. Okay, they'll give the screws, so you have to remove the screws and keep it inside. Now this is the other side, so you should not use it this way. So because it can hold the chicken piece, whole chicken, it can fit in inside. So we just fit that now. So we are going to remove that existing containers, whatever we have there inside. Yeah, now we are taking this out. So we're just keeping only for rotisserie rod. And also they have given a separate handler to take this rotisserie rod outside. For example, if the chicken is grilling, right, the rotisserie rod would be like very hard to remove. So using this handler, and they will provide, right, you can take this easily, this rotisserie, the grill, whatever it's grilling, it's easily can take it out. Okay, we'll show you one more tray, one more handler. Actually, this will be used for your if you are kept for something for grilling or any kind of chickens or any kind of cooking tray. Cooking tray we can use. For example, this is how we will take this out. Yeah, this is the one. So you need to take it like this and keep it out. So this is the tray. For example, if you want to cook something or bake something, you need to keep this tray. For example, this is better for we have tried with that cake option. So actually we need to buy the baked cake tray separately from the supermarkets, maybe in the big bazaar or any kind of markets. You can get it around 120 rupees or maybe or I'll give you the link in the description below. You can get it in the Amazon also. For baking the cake, you need to get the butter cooker paper and everything. And this is a temperature control knob, and this is a selector, and down one is a timer. So these are the very useful function. Actually, it can tell you like which is the side that has to bake, and which side the heat should come from, and it's like kind of selector which will help you select that where the heat should dissipate properly, whether it should dissipate in the upper section or lower section or in 360-degree section. So here are the places we can keep all the selectors. And also the time is very nice function actually. So what we're saying is that a timer actually comes, it starts ticking off, tick 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 tick. Okay, we'll get the sound for the timer. So it's really nice actually. So you can keep the selector for 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes based on your option, and it can use for, can preheat and the same. So there are a lot of recipes there given. Yeah, I think guys that's all about it. Actually, this is our review. I leave link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and buy that. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.